Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This week I really needed content, and my friend who recently went to Japan ended up getting me a bunch of goodies, so I'm like, well, what better thing to do than to draw them a little gift? Just because, I mean, it's not like he bought that much stuff for me, but like, I don't know, I'm really excited to get some stuff from Japan. So yeah, I drew his character. It's like an ice dragon. He's got his two swords. I had so much fun drawing this. I definitely wanted like a more, I don't want to say simple, but like I focused on making the like line art itself good. Because I don't know if you guys know of Hoot or Pampered Poodle Doodles on Twitter. I think that's what their Twitter handle is. But if you just Google Hoot for Affinity, like you'll find them. But yeah, they have like a tendency to do like simpler. Well, it's like so hard to describe because like she's just so good. It's like super, like the lines are all deliberate and there's nothing like floating around doing nothing, and I just really like the look of that. And sometimes they don't even shade it, they just kind of like color it in and color the liner, and it just looks really good. So yeah, that's what inspired that. I wanted to try my hand at doing that, and I really like how it turned out. I'm probably gonna do more stuff like this. It was fun to like take more time making the line art look good, knowing that I wouldn't have to spend time shading it. Even though I like this so much, I'm kind of tempted to go ahead and like finish more of it, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. Because on one hand, like, I like how it looks and I don't want to mess it up, and I know that if I put the time into shading it, I'll want to post a shaded version because I spent time on it, and on the other hand, because I'm like on a pretty tight time crunch. I don't know if anybody else experienced this, but like Windows updated and like super screwed my Wacom drivers, and it wasted like a lot of time. So yeah, I just kind of gotta move on, and I gotta learn to accept that and just drop things. But yeah, overall I really like how this turned out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.